Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It is also a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 71 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Now for a walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. You'll also notice two nice chrome strips in the centre grille. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice that this van is fitted with 16-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. It's also fitted with power folded heated mirrors. This is ideal for when you park the van on a busy road and for cold winter mornings. To this side of the van, you will notice a near side sliding door. Moving into the load area, you will notice a bulkhead to the back of the front seat. Moving the camera around, you will notice that the load area is clean and free from damage. At the back of the Transporter, you will notice fitted with a tailgate without window. Moving across the rear bumper, you will notice rear parking sensors. Moving up, you will notice standard rear lights. You'll also notice a Transporter badge and the VW emblem on the rear tailgate. If you decided you'd like to protect the load area from damage, you could ask a member of the sales team for a quote on Wood Ply-lining. Across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. And here we have the inner tailgate. This van is painted in Solid Ascot Grey. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. Moving to the back of the van, you will notice the bulkhead. You'll also notice 3 comfortable seats in brick woven fabric. Also, the driver's seat has 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I have now finished my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. This van is fitted with auto headlights. To this side of the steering wheel, you'll notice multimedia controls. To this side, you'll notice cruise control. This particular van has 22 delivery miles. On this side of the steering wheel, you can change settings on the instrument cluster. Going back into the audio settings, you can change the radio stations if needed. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. You'll also notice an SD card reader, which is down here. You'll also notice 2 USB-C charge ports, which are down here. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system also has App Connect. This would allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your mobile phone. My personal favourites are Waze and my downloaded music app. If I pop the van into reverse, you will notice a park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will help warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving down from the media screen, you will notice that this van is fitted with a heated front screen for cold winter mornings. This van is also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here's the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And lastly, here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter short wheelbase panel van. It's also a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used 71 plate delivery miles van, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed video walk around the van. You could also ask about booking a test drive. You could also talk about the flexible finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.